The housing market crash caused thousands of Floridians to try to get out from under their mortgages through a short sale. Tonight, Taking Action reporter Jackie Calloway shows us how bank errors have turned this transaction into a credit nightmare for some of these sellers.
Yeah, they're finding out firsthand. Now, if you're trying to get a loan or anything, a short sale could certainly hurt your chances, but a foreclosure is a deal breaker. And some consumers who have never been foreclosed on are finding a foreclosure on their credit report.
Years, of perfect credit.
When the housing bubble burst, Riverview real estate agent Mike Lindquist, like so many, wound up with an investment property worth less than he owed.
There was no choice but to try and short sell the property.
You did everything right to make sure this house was a short sale and not a foreclosure.
Oh, I did everything right, from submitting all the proper documentation to keeping the homeowner association payments up to date.
But when Mike checked his credit report, he discovered the bank listed his short sale as a foreclosure.
I saw, whoa, foreclosed. That's not right.
It was actually a short sale, and but it's being reported as a repo foreclosure.
Robbie Puskarich is the mortgage lending manager at Florida Bank. He found short sellers like Mike have plenty of company.
Because these are all short sales, but they're all reported differently.
Puskarich showed me 3 different cases in which clients had applied for loans, discovered the mortgage holder reported their short sale as a foreclosure to the credit bureaus.
I mean, it looks as if there's been a foreclosure on their property when in reality it was a short sale.
People who short sell their homes can take preventative measures to protect themselves on the front side of the transaction. For instance, ask the bank to put it in writing as to how the account will be labeled. Paid in full is much better than foreclosure.
But as far as refinancing or buying another property, it's going to take a lot longer for them if they've got a foreclosure.
They're just overwhelmed, I guess.
As for Mike, he had to repeatedly call his bank and all 3 credit bureaus to remove the foreclosure from his report.
After I got it corrected, it says account legally paid in full for less than full balance.
Okay, so if you've been involved in a short sale transaction and you did not get something in writing from the bank beforehand, don't waste any time. Go to annualcreditreport.com, pull that free report, make sure the lender did not make any errors that could sink your score.